Hello, today we are celebrating Pi Day. Happy Pi Day. So I'm not really sure what I want to do, but I think I want to create a computer program um and somehow just randomly put it like use Pi to do that. So yeah, I think I had an idea, so I just want to create some kind of music or generate some kind of sound using the digits of pi, and hopefully you will just create some harmonious music which is pleasant to listen to the ear. So I think I want to create piano music. Yeah, I want to create piano music. Okay, so the first thing I think I want to do is I want to grab digits of pi from some sites. Pi digits, let's just say 1000. So let me take 100,000. So okay, that's a lot. I just yeah, I just copy this. So I also want to create a new folder, and I think I want to hide it, and I want to open my code editor here. And I want to paste it. I want to paste what inside a JSON file. So okay, so I want to remove this and all of this, which is useless right now, and I also want to remove all spaces so that I can get something. And maybe I want to remove this dot because right now I'll not be using it. Okay, so since I want to generate piano music, I'm not really sure whether I can do it using the Web Audio API. Yeah, because we can generate things using the Web Audio API, but there's the sign, there's the sawtooth, and I don't know. I don't think that they really match like the piano tiles or the piano rhythm or the melody of the piano. Okay, so what I want to do is just piano music using JS, and let me check piano music using JS library. I just want to get the library. I don't want to get into using the Web Audio API. Let me just check this one. Okay, it looks good. Source code. Okay. So piano, sing, create instrument, piano, and play. Okay, good. So I'm going to download this one and open it, and I will just extract towards my new folder. I just want to extract this one there. Okay, I want to extract this one. I originally just wanted to extract the content, but okay, I just extract this one, and I'll extract it by day. Okay, so I have my two files. So how does this thing work? So it says, okay, let me first create an index.html file. So I first want to create a template, and I'll just name it PyD, and I want to paste this inside, and this says to use piano. Okay, we are just going to create another script tab here and paste this, and I'm going to go live, open live server. Not able. Let me look at extensions to see what's happening. Live server. Okay. I don't know why my live server extension is not working, but right now I'll just close my tab and reopen it. So good. Still doesn't work. Oh, okay. Yep. I can see my extension has loaded, so I can go live, and I get nothing. I get an error right now. audiosynth.js, but that's exactly its name. Why is there a problem? That's what I wanted to avoid. It says audiosynth like 9161 audio.play. I'm not really sure what's happening. Okay, let me. So I actually fixed the problem. So it was I loaded the library in the body. I was supposed to load JS after the body. My bad. Stupid mistake. Okay, so right now still a problem. So you can see sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. Okay, but generally you can see if you can hear properly, you can hear a noise, a tone. I'm not really sure whether you can hear, but yeah. So what can I do? Okay. What I want to do is I want to first load my PyGDs, and to do so I am going to use fetch. Yeah, I'm going to use fetch, but fetch can only be used in. I can use fetch with promise. Yeah, so I can use fetch, and I want to fetch my py dot json, and then have pi. I just want to return py.json, and then I want have a response or a string, and what I want to do with that string is just console.log the response. Okay, so it says py is not defined. I'm sorry, it's capital. So you can see it loads my pi number. And what do I want to do with it? I want to map keyboard keys to my pi, but the problem is that I don't know piano keys. So I want what I want to do is I want to map piano keys, like I don't know, keys piano keys to my digits of the digits of my pi. So I can just look through my string here, and for each digit I can play a particular key. Does it make sense? Yeah, I think it makes sense. Okay, so I don't know any, so I'll just piano keys. By the way, I am really a huge fan of piano types. So uh, I just want to go to Google Image. So okay, so there's C, there's D, there's E, there's F, there's G, there's A, there's B, there's C. Okay, good to know. So are there 9 keys? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. 8 keys, almost 9. Because the numbers in pi will range from 0 to 9. So I must have 10 keys. So I have to have 10 keys. Let me just this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I could repeat the keys like this one. Okay, so what I also want to do is I want to create var keys and my keys, and I just want to, let me check this. It says save form. Okay, so beside the key there's a number, so C4, so this a number. Okay, I did not know that for 2 seconds. Okay, so this is the time. Okay, I get it. So what I really want to do is I want to also put keys there. So I want to do something like create an array of an array, or a multi-dimensional array, and I want to put and also put like this number there. The time will just be a normal time value. So I have C, I have T, I have E, and I have F, G, A, if I'm not mistaken, A, yeah, and I have B, and I have um, C. So let me just I just want to make sure it's actually a thing. Okay, it's just 8 keys. But it's okay. I know what I can do. I can just repeat the same keys, like this one is even repeated. I can just repeat these keys but with different numbers. So I can say C3, and I can say C D3, maybe, yeah, maybe D4 5. Let me just check. Let me just and I just want to say and yeah, then okay. So now that I have that, I have to find a way to loop over my pi. But I also, since there's like a time for the keys, I don't want them to clump together and to just be. I want them. I want them like to have a timeout or an interval. So am going. I know what I'm going to do. So I'm going to create a function. So I'll just create um, piano play. Mm, and my function is going to take my pi digits that is loaded, and I'm going to take my keys, and I'll just say this dot pi equals to, so I'm actually creating a new constructor or a new class. I could have used a class, but and I want to say this dot keys is equals to pi, and since I will be looping, I just also want to include an index. So this is 0. Yeah. So I also want to create some kind of method to play my sounds at each moment. And uh, in this method, okay, so I have this instrument, so I can even put it outside of my variable in a global reach, and I can just say this one more. I can just say I want you to play. Okay, I first want to have like a key, and I want it to be this dot keys, and the value this dot pi, and the value this dot index. Okay. Oh, okay. So this makes sense. Okay. So what happens is I have an array of keys, and for each value, when my index will be looping, for each value of pi it will found, um, you just assign a key to that. So you'll be looping, like maybe you have 1 4 1 5, I think. So you'll be looking for, it will be, our index will be increasing, so you get at 1, and our keys at the index 1 will be maybe C4, so and so on. So I'll get, for each number or in my pi string, I will get this array, or one of this array. So what I just want to do here is just, I want to say key at the index 0 will be like our tone. I'm not really sure what that is. And key at the index 1, and I want to leave it to 2 first. And I want to I want I also want to have a method that will start my playing. So I'll just have start play, and um, yeah, I've forgotten this. I have to increment this tab index because I have to loop it through. So I just want to have a method that will start playing, that will um, create create a set time interval into my this.play. So that will call my this.play each 2 seconds, since it says it plays a key for 2 seconds. So immediately after you finish the key, I just want to play another key. Okay, so I can just say let's uh, play, because so piano play, or second shot, new piano play, and I want to say play dot play, or I could just say, no, I've already declared piano, um, or me start play. Okay, so what we get? Oh, yeah, it has to have 2 parameters. I'm sorry, I almost forgot that. Remember, it has to have the keys, and it has to have the this pi that is in my response object. So I'm just going to lower this down, and I will just say yeah, I can just say okay, uh, the first parameter, is my piano play. In my piano play is my pi, so I'm going to my pi is in the res for the res variable, and I also want my key, so I've declared it like that. So as it says, one is not a valid tone. So I don't know what's happening, but let me just console dot log my key partition. So no, this dot keys. Oh, I'm sorry. We equals to this dot. We equals to keys. And, okay, we get something. Yeah, something. But I have the feeling that we have a bit space after each. Yeah, we have a bit of time after each key is pressed. So I'll just reduce it. I could reduce it further. Better. Maybe. Let me see what. I like this way of but nevertheless, it's not really that harmonious. I could also do like a visualization, so I can have like this screen here and just showing the value of my pi at each index, or the key that's playing at each index in my array. So I'm going to import my PicShader library. So if you don't know PicShader, you can look at my tutorial in my PicShader playlist. I think you're happy, and I'll just paste it here and import also my PicShader. And PicShader, I want to create a canvas, so I'll say C equals to canvas 2D, and just like that. And the next thing I want to do is I want to get this will be our value of our pi, and I want to get that, and I want to put it as a new variable. I mean, this thing is distracting. Okay, so I want to take this my value of my pi, and I want to draw a text on my screen. So to draw my text, I'll just say let's see because so text, and I just want to have our x will be width divided by 2, so it will be in the center, width divided by 2, height divided by 2, and I want our txt to be the value of whatsoever thing the pi at our index. And I also want to have t.draw, but if I don't clear my canvas, if you have done my you have listened to my series, if I don't clear my canvas, you will draw the text on the same spot each time. So if I run my canvas, it doesn't even draw the text. So what's wrong? I have my canvas, but the text is not drawing. Okay, oh, okay, now it's working. You can see just want to clear my canvas before drawing anything, and hopefully that will solve the problem. Okay, so now we get 2, 6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9, 7, 9, 3, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 3. So this doesn't really look at so it's just French. So how can I this also other instruments? So let me just try this one. And instead of piano to play, let me just use acoustic. This looks strange, but that is better. Okay, so I think the other instruments this also organ. Okay, looks cool. Let me see whether I can just bend and mix all this together. So I will be playing the same tone like three different instruments at the same time.